My attention was attracted by a piece of wood, suspended by a string about a boy's neck. And on the wood were the words, Welsh stick. This, I was told, was a stigma for speaking Welsh. But in fact, his only alternative was to speak Welsh, or to say nothing. He did not understand English, and there was no systematic exercise in interpretation.
It's quite important when you're dealing with traditional elements of Welsh culture that these things have to be reinterpreted to a certain time and a certain place, which is today, 1995.
Welsh stick.
Our interest was to not only inform people, you know, across the board in Wales and beyond, that the Welsh Not happened.
Welsh Not.
But it's also Welsh. To reappropriate it. So we've got it on the T-shirts, we've got it on the CD face, and we're taking an object of oppression, laughing at it, you know, and turning it back into, you know, new Welsh fashion statements. The kids wearing the Welsh Not today, in a way, can say, well, we're quite proud of our language.
Welsh Not, as it is sometimes called, is given to any pupil who is overheard speaking Welsh, and may be transferred by him to any schoolfellow whom he hears committing a similar offence. It is then passed from one to another until the close of the week, when the pupil in whose possession the Welsh stick is found is punished by flogging.
The CD features not only Philip Madoc, but also some unexpected stalwarts of Welsh traditional music.
We just wanted to get as many people, different people involved as possible. We worked with people like Sean James and Eleanor Bennett, and then to get people like Kevinder involved. He's done some rapping in Punjabi, and we thought it was quite important to get that contrast in, you know, people who might still have these notions of, you know, a Welsh Wales for Welsh people. I mean, that's a very, very old sort of imperialist, Victorian sort of attitude. And what we're trying to do really was to have a Welsh sound, as it were, but having it completely up to date in 1995 and not looking back